Hi Alex, I'm going to try and help you with your homework question that you had. Sorry, this is not the best camera, so hopefully you can see this all right. So your question is for page 358 from the textbook, question 3D. You've got the displacement of a particle executing SHM is given by y equals phi cos 2t, and then you need to find the displacement when v equals 0. So what you first need to remember is that formula that they've written there is just the same formula. So x equals x naught, which is your original position, times cos omega t. Okay, so now we've got that formula. We can look at the formula to try if we've got velocity to try and find the displacement. Unfortunately, we can't use these formula that we've got because we don't know the time and it doesn't incorporate velocity. So the formula that you have and the formula that you are using is your v, velocity, equals omega times the square root of x naught minus x naught squared minus x squared. Okay, so we need to rearrange this formula. So let's go, we're trying to get x, remember. So v over omega is going to be equal to the square root of x naught squared minus x squared. Oh, sorry, write that in the right place. X squared. Okay. Then we can square this side. So v over omega squared is equal to x naught squared minus x squared. Okay, so that makes it a bit easier for us to get x. So v over omega all squared equals, minus x naught squared equals or minus x squared. Let's put this over here to make it look a bit neater. So minus x squared is equal to v over omega all squared minus x naught squared. So I've just flipped the way that I've put that to make it easier. And lastly, we want to get x. So x is going to be equal to the square root of all of this. So v over omega all squared minus x naught squared. Okay, and then once you've got that, we can plug in our numbers. So v, they gave us in the question, was 6, our velocity. So 6 over omega, omega is just 2 all squared minus x naught squared. So x naught is 5 squared. And then you have to square root the whole of that. Okay, I'm running out of space, so I'm going to move over here with my calculations. So x is going to be 6 over 2 is 3. The square root, or 3 squared is 9 minus 5 squared, so minus 25 is going to be the square root of minus 16 is going to give you 4. Okay, but because of our formula, we can write plus, or it will be plus or minus 4 because we don't know if it was going up or down at that period of time. Simples. Hopefully that helps you a little bit, Alex.